Right, starting this morning with some grim news coming in from Mumbai's Sakinaka.
Police say an explosion caused the wall of a building to collapse, killing at least 5 people. 3 of those dead are from the same family. At least 2 people are critically injured. The house whose wall collapsed was adjacent to a small-scale industrial unit. The cause of the explosion is still unclear. Fire officials are on the spot clearing the debris.
मैं 6 को निकाला हूँ, जिसमें से 3 की मौत हो, 3 लेडीज, 3 तो लेडीज मर चुके।
अंदर गए, वहाँ से एक बुढ़े आदमी को निकाले। बुढ़े आदमी वो भी मर गया रहेगा, जहाँ तक कि मेरा ख्याल है, क्योंकि वो मुंह से खून फेंक दिया था। दबने की वजह से, क्योंकि लोग के चेहरे पे कोई जला वला वो सब नहीं था।
All right, let's get the latest from CNN IBN's Shawan Sen joining us on the phone line. Now, Shawan, we'll come to the investigations in a bit, but first up, tell us where rescue operations stand at the moment. Is there a fear that many more could still be trapped?
As of now, he told us that the five people are already dead and the injured. The two other people who are injured have already been shifted to Rajawadi Hospital, which is about a few kilometers from where the incident took place. But as far as the rescue operation is concerned, we already know that the fire brigade as well as the local police team and the disaster management is already there at the spot, and the rescue operation is still on. As far as the incident is concerned, the fire brigade received its first call around 2 in the morning. It was supposed to be an explosion that took place in a small chemical unit, and which basically resulted in a wall collapse of a particular chawl that was just adjacent to this particular unit. Now, as far as the area is concerned, Sakinaka is particularly a very densely populated area of Mumbai. Several of these small industrial units usually operate from that area, and generally what has happened, we have seen in the past also some similar incidents taking place. So as of now, as far as rescue operation is concerned, it's still on. The officials are still working out, and there could be a possibility of some more people fear trap, but that isn't confirmed as of now. What we have been confirmed is 5 people are dead, 2 people are critically injured, and there could be possibility of some more.